Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Now on this historic day, I would like to thank our party leaders, especially our Honourable Chairperson, Srimati Mamata Banerjee ji, our Honourable National General Secretary, Shri Abhishek Banerjee ji, our leaders in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, who have really stood by us as a state, who stood by us as a people and citizens of Meghalaya, and they have raised a very important point and a demand of including the Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule. Never before has a national party taken the voices of the MLAs who represent the people of the state, taken the voices of the MPs who represent the people of the union and the people of the country at large, together where we stood outside Parliament and demanded for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. It is indeed much more important to note that the voices were not raised not only outside, were raised not only outside Parliament, but the voices were also raised inside Parliament. So therefore, this kind of an effort will continue, not only for the issue of Khasi and Garo languages and their inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, but as a party, and especially as a national party that has got a presence across the country, we pledge to the people of the state that we will keep on raising the issues that are pertinent to the people, the needs of the people of the state, and to fight for the people of the state and their benefits. So therefore, we once again thank the people who have been standing by us, who have been supporting the party and supporting this very, very important cause of including the Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Thank you.